Hello everyone, this is Megha and welcome back to my channel Crazy for Health. Today we'll be making an eggless whole wheat walnut cake. This is a completely sugar-free cake, so you can make it anytime for your family members and for your kids and have it guilt-free. So if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me again. Now let's see how to make eggless walnut cake.
In a large mixing bowl, take fresh yogurt. Next, add olive oil onto it. And here I have jaggery powder. If you don't have jaggery powder, use the regular jaggery. And now we'll be whisking all of this together. This process takes around 2 minutes. So if you have a blender, use that. Otherwise, take a whisk and whisk it. Next, add honey. And mix again. Now I'm taking whole wheat flour, that is atta, baking powder, a few drops of vanilla essence, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now whisk all of this together. Now as you can see, the batter is a bit stiff, so keep whisking it. Now I'll be adding some milk to make the batter a bit thinner. I've used around half cup of milk to make the batter perfect. And now the batter is ready. Finally, add in some chopped walnuts. And with the help of a spatula, fold and mix the batter. The batter should be of dropping consistency. Now it's time to bake the cake. So I've taken an 8-inch loaf pan. You can use the regular cake mold. And now I'm greasing it with some oil. Now place a butter paper. This will help the cake to not stick to the bottom of the pan. And I'm going to grease it again from the top. Now dust it with some whole wheat flour and pat from all sides. Next, pour the batter. and spread it evenly. Next, I'm topping the cake with some more chopped walnuts. And I'm going to pat it 5 to 6 times so that there are no air bubbles. Next, in my microwave, I'm going to set the temperature to 180 degrees. And in convection mode, I'm going to bake this cake for around 35 minutes. Now, the baking of the cake depends on your oven, so please check in between if the cake is done. If you don't have an oven, you can also use a kadhai and bake the cake, or in a pressure cooker as well. Now, after 35 minutes, you can check the cake with a toothpick or a fork. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Allow the cake to cool completely and then take it out in a plate. My cake is a bit over baked from the top, so just check on the temperature and in the timings. Now, once the cake is completely cooled, cut them into slices. It is a bit difficult for me to cut it into slices because my cake was still warm. And now, as you can see, the cake is hot and soft. The texture has come out really well. And it tastes simply amazing. I'm sure your kids are going to love this cake. And since it's sugar-free, it's completely healthy. So do try it out and let me know if you found it helpful and if you found it good. See you next time.